Experience in Extended Reality course. The aim of this course is to teach you about user experience methods commonly utilized in extended reality development, as well as common challenges faced during this process. With the successful completion of this course, you will learn basic user experience design concepts. In this course, you will learn basic concepts of usability. Then, some of the methods and techniques that are used widely in usability and user experience studies. The last but not least unit of the course includes current usability issues in virtual reality platforms, some useful tips, and challenges that developers face in virtual reality design. You can check some of the keywords in units by clicking on them. One of the best examples of user experience can be dated back to 1984. Before this, most computers utilized a command line interface to receive user input and provide output. While this was sufficient for experts who spent all their days using, managing, and dealing with problems of these systems, this also hindered the public adoption of personal computers. These systems had confusing and seemingly random keywords at every step that could be very hard to understand as a new user. This all changed with the introduction of the first Macintosh in 1984. Introduced with the historic commercial 1984, this computer changed the public perception of personal computers. They went from something only used if absolutely necessary into something trendy and fun. This computer popularized the graphical user interface through the use of a mouse. You no longer had to memorize commands. You could click icons on the screen to use applications. This example shows that to be able to reach the most amount of users, developers must understand the principles of good user experience, UX. This course will cover modern UX techniques, how they relate to extended reality, XR platforms, common pitfalls new developers face, testing for good usability, and much more. After completing this course, you will be able to remember the basics of terminology. Explain the different types of usability testing. Describe what heuristics evaluation is. Report, understand usability testing results. Sketch a usability testing study if needed. So, let's start to journey for usability.